Hi everyone, welcome to Shopee Tutorial. I'm Vernette. I help my students to achieve 5-figure sales in e-commerce business. If you are new here, remember to subscribe and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, we are going to share with you how to register for Shopee Seller Center. Shopee is one of the leading e-commerce platforms in Southeast Asia. It has the lowest risk to start your e-commerce business compared to Lazada, Q10, and Amazon. Because Shopee offer free registration, zero commissions, most newbie friendly, and fastest growing marketplace in Southeast Asia. To help you to get started, we have put together the step-by-step guide on how you can set up your Shopee seller account.
Shopee website, you see the icon of sign up here. You click that. You can sign up using your phone number. Next, you will send a verification link. Last step, you need to set your password. After that, back to Shopee. This is your account, my account. So you open up, you come to my profile, username. And you must take note that the username can only be changed once. Okay, this is my username. And here you can key in your shop name. So I key in my shop name. Continually, you can set others non-important setting. After that, you click save. So there's this warning. Are you sure you want to change the username to the one that you choose? Username can only be changed once. I click OK. Okay, profile updated. Cool. So now you have created a profile on Shopee. Next, you need to register yourself as seller. So come to the left top corner, Seller Center. Okay, you click that. Here is the process for you to register as Shopee seller. Okay, you need to add an address. It's a real address. Okay, when you can see this Shopee Seller Center, that means you are the seller already.
Now you have set up your Shopee seller account, it is also a good time to check whether your product is fall under Shopee prohibited list. I'll put the list in the comment below, so make sure you check it out. I hope today's video helpful to you. So in next video, I'm going to share with you what are the compulsory settings that you must do in the Shopee seller account before you start selling. See you in the next video.